this video will teach you how to deposit money on Pocket Option from your PayPal account. Of course, if you sign in into your account and go to the deposit page, you won't find PayPal in the payment methods, guys, but because it's not available. But I will show you the method how to deposit money using the PayPal. In this case, we will use two middlemen. First will be bestchange.com and the second one will be Binance. So first of all, let's go to the bestchange.com and we need to find the exchanger who is exchanging money from PayPal to crypto. So on the left side, we need to find PayPal USD, and on the right side, we need to select the cryptocurrency. For example, I will choose Tether TRC20. It's very popular, and as you can see, there are a lot of exchangers who are exchanging PayPal money into crypto. So they have got different number of reviews. I suggest you to pick the exchanger who has got a lot of reviews, and also the reviews should be in the green. If you see the red numbers, they are negative ones, guys. Also, you need to look at the reserves and you need to look at the exchange rates. For example, I will choose this one who has got more than 1K reviews, and the minimum amount is $25. So let's go to his website and we need to fill all of the necessary gaps. You need to write your email, then you need to select PayPal USD to TRC20 USDT. You need to enter the amount of USD you're going to transfer, for example, 200. And if you send 200 USD to his PayPal account, you will receive 179 USDT on your Binance account. Right here, we need to write our PayPal email and we need to enter our TRC20 USDT wallet address. In this case, I will find my USDT wallet address on Binance. So I will go to the wallet. In the top right, go to the spot account, find USDT right here, click on this three dots and click deposit. Then we need to select the TRC20. In this case, let's copy the wallet address and paste it right here. Here are some extra services. You can tick them, but they cost money, guys. So you can see they cost additional money. Then you need to scroll down, click on submit. You will see their PayPal email address. You need to send your money from your PayPal account to their PayPal, and then you need to wait. They will send the crypto to your Binance account. So once you will have available USDT on your Binance, then you can go to the Pocket option, select the method for deposit, for example, Tether TRC20. The minimum deposit amount is $30. Enter the amount of USDT you want to deposit, for example, 100. Click continue and pay in the top right. So here will be the wallet address. You need to copy this wallet address and send 100 USDT to their wallet address. So go to Binance, your wallet, find USDT, click these three dots, click on withdraw, enter the Pocket option TRC20 wallet address, then select the network, TRC20, enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw, for example 100, but as you can see there is a fee, 1 USDT, so you need to write 101 USDT. So you need to exactly send 100 USDT to them. So click on withdraw button and they will instantly add $100 into your account. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.